Are you ready to make some Play-Doh? Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, we are back and we are here with another toddler activity. So we have tried peanut butter Play-Doh before and it was a total fail. And so we are going to try regular salt dough. We're just going to use flour, salt, oil, cream of tartar, and coloring. So we're going to see how this goes. You ready?
Yeah.
I got one helper here, one helper at the stove, ready to serve when you come over, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You ready for this?
Yeah.
I'm going to pour it in and I'm going to need you to stir. Okay? Oh, our other helper's coming over here. Do you need some help? Where do you want to be? Okay. Yep. I'm gonna give it to you. Hold on. Okay. Pour it in. Pour it in there. Okay, just a second. Haley, do you need some in yours?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, I'll show you the next thing. Are you stirring? Can you stir that up for me? It's okay. Are you ready for this, honey?
Yeah.
There are gonna be 5 of these. Ready? 1, 2. You're gonna have to dump it real nice. It's real heavy. Grab the edge. Good job. Okay. You want to do one? Okay. Good job. Okay. You gotta mix it, honey, so it's smooth. It's gonna be nice and smooth so it's not lumpy. See how it's lumpy? Ready? Let it go. Let that go. Okay, you're getting everywhere, honey. Okay, ready? Who is that? Who is that? And who's that?
Kiki.
Is that Kiki? Is that Kiki? Can you see Haley? Is that Haley? Got my 2 little helpers and we're watching the Play-Doh. Right? Oh! colors in it. Ready? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if that's enough. Let's see. What color would you like? What colors do you want? You wants blue. What color do you want? Do you want yellow, red, or green? Green? And you want blue? I'm going to show you what you're going to do. Make it real flat. We're going to put some blue in it, and you're going to mix it up, okay? That one's going to be red. Then you got to mix it so it's yellow. Right? What do you want? Do you need more blue? We gotta mix it. Squeeze it up, it'll be blue. Mix it up. Yeah. Capture the animals, see? Look. Or you can put your animals in it. That was successful. So that was super easy. It turned out really nice. It's not too sticky. And it's really soft. So we're just going to put our animals in it. Right, Haley? Yeah, is that fun? Yay! Don't eat it. Yeah. The nice thing is you can eat it, but it's not going to taste very good because it's got a lot of salt. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. Say bye.